Tara, let's explore Canterbury Part 1.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, 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 yeah. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time.
Welcome to our travel vlog.
Good morning mga kalakwatsa.
Good morning,
So for today's, tayo ay pupunta sa...
Canterbury.
So currently, andito kami ngayon sa Ealing Broadway. Ang sasakyan namin is Elizabeth going to Bond Street. And then transfer kami ng another train sa Oxford, papunta naman sa Victoria. So we will ride a train as well.
From Victoria Station, pupunta naman tayo ng Canterbury East. So, dalawa yung options yun kung pupunta tayo ng Canterbury. Merong Canterbury East and Canterbury West. So, sa Canterbury East kami bababa down to the west side. So, we're very excited kasi ang season ngayon ay spring.
Let's see kung ano makita natin mga kalakwatsa. Abangan niyo ang susunod na mga videos.
We're so excited! At may mga kasama kami. Papakilala namin sila later. Dito na tayo sa Bond Street, guys. So, bali, sasakay tayo ng train going to Victoria Station. So, severe delays today.
What?
Ano pala? Strike. Hi, mga kalakwatsa. Meet Nikki. So, since my strike today, tayo ay magbabas. Positive lang. Hey. Mga kalakwatsa, fun fact pala dito sa UK, especially in London. So, commonly nagsastrike yung mga transport. So, they put schedules para maka-ease out naman din sa mga bumabiyahe. So, ngayon, ang nakastrike ay yung mga underground. So, hindi naman nakastrike ang Elizabeth Line. Since we cannot go to Victoria Station to go to Canterbury using the Oxford Circus na station, gagawin natin ay magte-take tayo ng bus. So, hindi rin naman sila nakastrike ngayon. Meron pa rin tayong transport. Mga kalakwatsa, itatry muna pala natin yung Oxford Circus. Kasi apparently, using City Mapper, ginagamit dito na app sa London to go around places and to know the transport, they're not showing na may option going or using a train. However, when you use the Google Maps, it shows other options na pwede nyong gamitin. And it's showing na available naman yung underground, severe delay lang. So, tingnan natin. Update namin kayo sa mga ganap, guys. Ang ating navigator si Nikki. Wala ko napansin eh, pero shall we check? Oh, is it closed?
No central. So we starting there on the Victoria line. No central or anything.
So Victoria is okay? Victoria line is okay? Okay, Victoria line is okay. Thank you. Mga kalakwatsa, swerte tayo today dahil may Victoria line.
Mind the gap, please.
Hello mga kalakwatsa!
Dito na kami sa Victoria Station. Due to tube strike, so medyo naiba-iba yung daan namin. Akala namin walang Victoria line pero meron. So tip is, wag lang kayo gumamit ng isang app. So, ano yung unang app na ginamit natin?
So una, City Mapper is the usual app that we use to go around London. But actually, during strikes, you can also check Google Maps.
So, sa Google Maps, sinabi na mayroong Victoria Line. So, which is napabilis at napaaga kami ngayon dito sa Victoria Station.
Oo.
And also, always ask. Kasi nung nagtanong kami, napansin namin walang bumababa, pero nung nagtanong si Tantan, pwede bukas yung
Oo.
Victoria Line.
So,
Unfortunately, merong tube strike.
tuloy-tuloy natin ang biyahe, guys. So, see you later.
See you later.
Mga kalakwatsa, dito pa rin tayo sa Victoria Station. Tingnan nyo guys, parang airport yung station nila.
Maraming line din dito, no? Ang daming
Oo.
train line going to outside London. So, probably, kung lalabas kayo ng London, marami dito kayo usually mapupunta.
Kasi may mga tao na nagtatrabaho sa Central London, so which we are here, and then they're coming from the towns outside London. So may mga towns naman dito, 'di ba? Like sa atin sa Pilipinas, halimbawa nag-work ako sa I'm from Cavite pero nag-work ako sa Manila. So yung biyahe natin medyo matagal, 'di ba? So dito mabilis dahil sa accessibility ng mga trains nila. Ano, may ganito tayo sa Pilipinas?
Yes. Hopefully, magkakaroon din tayo nito after how many years?
Yeah. Let's keep hoping for the best. Let's talk about things to do and to bring para maging budgetarian tayo when we're traveling to UK.
Somewhere.
Yeah, let's reveal. Ako, may mga baon kami. Usually, nagbabaon kami, guys. Ang baon ko ay water. Very important kasi more walk tayo. And of course, piyaya. Shout out naman to our friend JM from the Philippines. Woo! Siyempre, Nikki, ikaw naman, anong padala natin dyan?
Siyempre, saan ba yun? May tubig tayo, di ba? And then, nakakahiya.
Okay lang yan.
Biscuit. At saka, candies.
Oh, diba? Anong candy natin dyan?
Kopi ko, siyempre.
Kopi ko, yan. Ewan ko na lang kung makatulog ka sa biyahe. Kasi kailangan alert tayo sa biyahe, guys, para makita natin paligid.
At syempre, bilang tito, hindi dapat mawawala ang inyong ipi kasi.
What?
Dahil may hiluhin po tayo sa biyahe, wag niyong kakalimutan.
Tito tips yan, mga kalakwatsa.
Oils. Fresh from Philippines.
Don't forget, bring whatever you can when you're traveling para hindi naman lahat binibili. And then later na tayo mag-enjoy sa mga pwede nating bilhin at kainin sa trip.
For your comfortable biyahe.
Kwatsa, sasakay na tayo ng train natin. So it's only 4 coaches. Southeastern Rail. Hello mga kalakwatsa! Good morning again! So nandito na
sa loob ng train.
today, binukda naman namin tong ticket namin through train line. So andito siya. May ating space. Yan.
So nakakuha kami ng murang fare dahil sa aming friend na si Nikki. Thank you, Nikki.
So, di ba last video, pinag-usapan natin how to book a ticket using train line, which is much cheaper kapag nag-avail kayo ng rail card. Na, so, naka-avail kami ng much cheaper price. So, usually, when you travel from London to Canterbury, example, you book it the next day, it's commonly like around 40 to 50. So, ang nakuha namin ticket ay 28.
28 lang. So,
It's a lot cheaper.
perfect.
Yeah. So thank you sa aming friend. Shout out.
sa aming friend na si Nikki. Pa-pump up namin yung itsura niya dito.
At saka happy birthday pala, Nikki.
Birthday travel for Nikki.
Okay, so itong video na to is a message for you.
Happy birthday.
So mga kalakwatsa, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung travel natin going there. It's about 1 hour and 30 minutes from central London to Canterbury. These are the places na pupuntahan natin sa trip na to.
So, more or less, mga 8 to 9 places. So, hopefully mapuntahan namin lahat. Depende yan sa aming
Energy level
Energy
kasi
level.
alam mo na trentahin na tayo guys. So
Trentahin.
pagpatak ng alas 12 medyo antok na tayo niyan, 'di ba? So tingnan natin kung kaya ng energy natin. Okay?
So una, merong museum pero may bayad siya mga 11 pounds. So tignan namin kung mapupuntahan namin siya. Pero ang tawag sa kanya is Canterbury Roman Museum. So yung pangalawa is the Crook House Canterbury. So this one is free. So again, hindi ako nag-search ng mga image. So gusto ko ma-excite kasi makita in person.
Yeah. So last time 'di ba, pinakita namin sa Windsor Travel na yung Crooked House doon. So tingnan natin kung ano yung difference nila and try natin pasukin kung ano na rin yung presentation inside the Crooked House.
And then meron din Canterbury Cathedral. Sabi nila maganda dito. Yun nga, free siya kapag attend kayo ng worship. Pero hindi siya libre kapag
Papasok ka,
Papasok,
check
so may
mo yung
ticket siya.
place, yeah.
Around 16 to 18 pounds. A bit expensive.
But if you just want to go around the grounds, it's for free. Okay?
And then, pang-apat is Butter Market. So, this one is public square. So, parang mga typical na mga market. Fifth one is the King's Mile. The sixth, ito yung main na gagawin namin na activities which is ponting on the rivers tour. So, around 15 to 20 pounds. So, hopefully maka-discount kami ulit.
Yeah, sana. So, first time namin din magpapanting. Ako wala akong idea kung anong makikita natin. So, check out na lang natin later.
And then, 7th place, Westgate Gardens. This one is free, so baka marami ditong tinawag siyang garden, so baka maraming bulaklak. Every time nag-travel kami, parang laging may church. So this one, so we take the opportunity to pray din as well.
Yes, kasi
Pasok sa church.
to God be the glory sa lahat na experience natin. Imagine guys, we'll be able to travel and you guys are also joining us sa mga lugar na napupuntahan natin dito sa Inglaterra. So, see you later. Okay, next. Welcome to Canterbury! Kalakwatsa, nandito na tayo sa Canterbury. Ano pala ang pronunciation niya? Canterbury in British English. So, nakita namin sa signage na merong castle along the way. So, mga 4 to 5 minutes walk lang siya before natin puntahan yung first location, which is yung the Crooked House. So, check natin guys kung ano ma-explore natin sa castle. And maybe we can have a bit of history about Canterbury Castle. So, ang navigator ay si Julio ngayon. Say hi, Julio. $12 degrees ngayon. Feels like 10? Gano'n paano malamig? Alamig! So mga kalakwatsa, dito yung castle. Okay. So, under construction ang Canterbury Castle. Okay. So, sayang, di ba natin siya nakita yung full glory niya. And supposedly, I think the plan is to look like this. So hanggang picture na muna tayo. And then, maybe in the future, we can come back and see the full glory of this castle. So, on to next tayo, guys. So, this street is called Castle Street. Makikita nyo guys, marami silang mga kainan, may mga restaurants on the side, may mga pubs. At saka, it seems like this street is vibrant kasi may mga banderitas. Very nice. Yeah, ganda no? Kalakwatsa, nasa St. Margaret Street naman tayo. So we're trying to go to that cathedral kasi kita nyo na siya from here. Tingnan natin kung ano naman ang pwede nating makita sa side ng street na to.
Welcome to Canterbury! Welcome to Canterbury Cathedral. So, tingnan natin yung bungad, guys. Pasok tayo. Pero meron siyang bayad around 19 pounds and 50 pence.
Canterbury Cathedral is a stunning, centuries-old church that feels like stepping straight into history. With towering arches and beautiful stained glass all around, walking through it, you can really sense its importance as a major religious site, and the famous place linked to the dramatic story of Thomas Becket. Kalakwatsa na pag-usapan namin na pasukin natin yung cathedral kasi it's UNESCO heritage here in England and it will be so exciting to see what's inside, right?
Hello guys, we decided to buy a ticket kasi UNESCO Heritage Show. Alam nyo ba guys, this is valid for 1 year guys. Pwede kayo bumalik within the year. Just show this one. So ang tip nung cashier is take a photo of this in case mawala. So tingnan natin yung loob guys.
Kalakwatsa, I'm excited!
Pumasok kami. 39 pounds. Pero tingnan natin kung worth it.
I think it will be worth it kasi nakita ko yung mga pictures eh. Pinag-isipan namin, chinek namin yung mga pictures sa Google. And then, yun ang deciding factor namin. Sabi namin, ay, pasok ka na natin.
Wow!
Oh wow! Look at this, guys! It's so amazing! So according to Google, this design is Romanesque and Gothic architecture. Kita nyo yung different angles and then patterns ng kanyang architecture. Grabe guys! May mga guided tours pala din na available dito but you have to pay, right? Okay, yeah. So on top of your current binayaran, £5 siya. Fun fact! Canterbury Cathedral was designed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988 as part of the listing that also includes St. Augustine's Abbey and St. Martin's Church. May archway dito where it is going to lead you to the main altar. Grabe guys, mararamdaman mo nga yung Gothic architectural design niya. Pero very regal lang dating. So usually, noong unang panahon, dito nakaupo yung mga head of the church. Sila. I think this is still a very functioning church, which is yung mga leader ng church nila yung nakaupo dyan. Mga kalakwatsa, tingnan nyo. Grabe, makikita nyo pa rin talaga yung Roman designs at inspiration ng place. Just an interesting thing I saw here. I think this is what they used to, like a podium. Pero tingnan nyo, mala Harry Potter siya, di ba? Napaka-cool. Grabe.
Fun fact, alam nyo ba na this Canterbury Cathedral is 1,400 years? And this is established by Augustine Canterbury.
At Canterbury Cathedral, Thomas Becket was murdered in 1170, right inside the church. Afterwards, he became a saint, and the cathedral turned into a major pilgrimage destination in medieval Europe. This cathedral is hugely important to British history because it's the central church of the Church of England and the seat of Archbishop of Canterbury, making it a key religious and cultural symbol. Mga kalakwatsa, pwede kayo magsuot ng prayers dito sa side na to. Mga kalakwatsa, hindi lang talaga historical ang place na to. From the outside, Canterbury Cathedral looks grand and dramatic. The tall pointed arcs and detailed stone carvings and huge towers that dominate the skyline, ang cool talaga tignan. kain muna tayo. So, dito tayo in front of Kokoro. So, it's an Asian restaurant. So, let's try this restaurant. So, may iba't iba silang selections.
Two toppings, just the regular, no?
Yeah.
With rice. And then the first topping will be the one. Yes.
So, it's chicken. Do you want sauce for it? No? Mga kalakwatsa, kain tayo ng lunch. So, I got overloaded steamed rice with bulgogi and chicken, ano ba to? Sweet and sour chicken, no?
Yeah, sweet and sour chicken.
And for you?
And mine is, parang siyang chicken din siya, pero parang style niya is pork na pagkaluto. So fried chicken na manipis, parang gano'n. And then the other one is bulgogi.
Bulgogi.
So, tikman natin.
Ang sarap. Sweet and sour sa akin. Ang sarap.
Very beef yung bulgogi. Grabe yung lasa niya.
Ang sarap. First time ko kumain sa Kokoro.
Ako din. Kokoro.
Kain tayo, guys.
Matamis siya na beef.
Sulit. Akin is 9 pounds. Ang total na meal namin is 19.80. So, pwede na rin, guys. So, if magawi kayo rin sa Canterbury and you're looking for something to eat na easy na,
This is recommended.
yeah,
Sarap.
kain tayo. After namin kumain, magpapanting naman today. So, there are some panting tours na nag-aalok na sa daan. Like this one. Pero you can also book through different online platforms, guys, ha? Para kung medyo nagda-doubt kayo sa prices, you can also try that. For 4?
4 altogether.
Yeah.
A bit of a discount if you
Yeah.
like.
How
It's
much is
usually-
it?
It's usually £30, but what I'll do is I'll knock £5 off per head. I'll do it at £25.
Alright,
each
that's
instead,
lovely.
yeah. It's just 300 metres down here. You'll see a shop called Rock, Paper, Scissors, and once you see that, you turn into the right, into the Mooring Cafe, hand that ticket in, you get
Alright.
your booked on as soon as possible.
Thank you. Alright. So guys, binigyan kami ng £5 discount. So, tingnan natin kung baka may further discounts pa tayo, no?
Lagyan natin ng charm.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. Where? Manila? Or?
Manila. Most of
My
us are
auntie,
from.
she's from. I think she's from Leyte, but lives in. She's from Leyte, but she lived in Manila and then moved to Germany.
Oh, that's
She's
good.
got a wonderful
Quite a
accent.
history.
It's half.
Ay, today. Okay.
Go on, step on it.
Okay.
There you go, bud.
Alright. Hello. Nix.
Hands and feet and foot underneath the water. If you think there's an iPhone 17 at the bottom, trust me, it's the river trying to get you to go in, so you could be lost forever. Please don't pick anything out of the river. It could harm you and it could harm me. We'll get onto why in the pool. Okay.
Alright, thank
When I go
you.
round the corners, I need to shout at my colleagues just to get them out. And yell a very specific word. It's hello in Czech. Does anyone know what hello in Czech is?
What is it?
Ahoy!
Ahoy!
Ah, ahoy.
Ahoy!
Ahoy. Ahoy.
We're all learning things.
Chips ahoy. Chips ahoy. We only know chips ahoy. It's a biscuit. It's a biscuit.
It's a biscuit back home.
It's got dozens of important buildings to British culture. Probably the most important.
Yeah.
It's just like
Honestly, I'm not even the thing about it.
You mind your head? Ah! Nix.
Roman Emperor Claudius set up Canterbury. Now, Henry II had a best mate. They've all got best mates. My best mate's called Mike. He's lovely. He's got a receding hairline. He's 23. Henry II, his best mate was Thomas Becket. He was Archbishop of Canterbury, the second most important man in the kingdom. They fell out. Still, that's better. Now, 100,000 people would come to stay in Canterbury every year to visit the shrine of Thomas. Now these cave spiders are actually slightly evolving. So their bums have gotten bigger and their legs have gotten smaller, a bit like Kim Kardashian.
Okay.
Little plastic in these ones.
Kaya nga eh.
Like radical Protestants, they basically believe it's not in the Bible, you don't do it, right? So any guess? Yeah, do you guys know why they burn Christmas? It's a Celtic holiday. It's not Roman. It's not Roman. It's not Christian. It's nothing. It's a Celtic holiday. And we are Celtic. Okay? You see the rock in the walls on the right? That is flint. Now, flint is very tough. It's very strong. It also absorbs your phone reception. Is anyone realizing Canterbury? You've got really, really bad phone reception.
Yeah.
There you go. That's the reason why. I'm not even out there begging you.
Maloko to si Kuya.
Well, at what point would Jesus come back? He didn't come back for the silent disco. I don't think he'd come back.
Nakaka-relax din siya, guys. Parang nakaka-antok. Pero since mainit, nakaka-relax siya. Tsaka madaldal si Kuyang tour guide. So, very nice tong trip na ito. Tapos na kami mag-tour.
Buti madaldal.
Oo, madami siyang pa-trivia.
Informative, very funny.
Yeah, kung gusto niyo siya i-try, first time niyo mag-ponting, pwede niyo siyang gawin. Maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo today mga kalakwatsa. Stay tuned sa part 2 ng Canterbury trip natin. Dito na tayo sa
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord. If you enjoyed watching our Canterbury trip part 1, please don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment kayo kung ano paborito nyong part sa trip na to. Check out these videos for more travel adventure.